you playing cricket?
Yes, I am playing cricket.
Are you dancing?
Yes, I am dancing.
Are you speaking?
Yes, I am speaking.
Are you singing a song?
Yes, I am singing a song.
Okay. Do you want to buy black color jeans?
Yes, I want to buy black color jeans.
Okay. Do you get up early in the morning?
Yes, I get up early in the
Did you
morning.
see the doctor?
Yes, I saw the doctor.
Okay. Did you take medicine?
Yes, I
I took medicine.
I took medicine.
Okay. Did you go to Mumbai?
Yes, I go to
I went to
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
I went to Mumbai.
Okay. Do you smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
Do you abuse?
No, I don't abuse.
Do you make tea?
Yes, I make
Do you
tea.
make breakfast?
Yes, I make breakfast.
Okay. Do you take mango?
Yes, I take mango.
Okay. Do you know how to make biryani?
Yes, I know how to make
Do
biryani.
you know how to sing a song?
Yes, I know how to sing a song.
Do you know how to abuse?
No, I don't know how to abuse.
Do you know how to write application?
Yes, I know how to write application.
Do you know how to speak English?
Yes, I know how to speak English.
Do you know how to make a coffee?
Yes, I know how to make a coffee.
Who are you?
I'm a student.
Okay, who is he?
He is a boy.
Okay, and who wants to speak English?
He wants to speak English.
Who wants to go to market?
She wants to go to market.
Okay, who want to earn money?
My father wants to earn money.
Tomorrow,
Yes, I will come tomorrow.
will you apply henna?
Yes, I will apply henna.
Do you want to buy jeans?
Yes, I want to buy a jeans.
Get up early in the morning.
Yes, I get up early in the morning.
Oh, do you take tea?
Yes, I take tea.
Do you brush the teeth?
I brush the teeth.
Do you smoke?
I don't smoke.
Can you dance in party?
I can't dance in party.
Okay, did you come yesterday?
I came study.
Okay, did you purchase shirt?
I purchased study.
Okay, did you see the doctor?
I did not see the doctor.
Did you consult to doctor?
Yes, I consult to doctor.
Are you watching movie?
I'm not watching movie.
Okay, are you playing cricket?
I'm not playing cricket.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Can you fight?
Yes, I can fight.
Okay, do you like India?
Yes, I like India.
Do you like Banaras?
Yes, I like Banaras.
Do you want to speak?
I want to speak.
Do you want to sing a song?
Yes, I want to sing a song.
Do you want to purchase car?
I want to purchase a car.
Are you going to market?
Yes, I'm going to market.
Are you speaking English?
Yes, I'm speaking
Are you
English.
dancing?
I'm dancing.
Are you singing?
I'm singing.
Will you come tomorrow?
I will come tomorrow.
Will you apply henna?
I am applying henna.
I will apply henna.
I will apply henna.
Who is going?
Sorry?
Who is going?
Uh, Sony is going.
Okay, who is coming?
Rina is coming.
Okay, do you want to get up early in the morning?
Yes, I get up early in the
I
morning.
want to.
I want to get up early in the
Do you
morning.
want to speak English?
I want to speak English.
Do you want to sing a song?
I want to sing a song.
Do you have to get up?
I have to
I
get
have
up
to
early.
get up. Did you come yesterday?
I will.
I came.
I came yesterday.
Okay, did you see the doctor? Do you smoke cigarette?
I didn't smoke.
Do you smoke cigarette? I don't smoke.
I don't smoke.
Okay, do you want to dance in party?
I want to dance in party.
Will you call me?
I will call you.
Will you talk me?
I will talk you.
Will you apply henna?
I will apply henna.
Will you fight?
I will not fight.
Okay, can you speak English?
I can speak in
Can you
English.
drive truck?
I can write here.
Can you drive truck?
I can't drive truck.
Do you have a lehenga?
I have lehenga.
Or what color lehenga do you have?
I have the red color lehenga.
Okay, do you have a sari?
I have many sari.
Okay, what color do you like?
I like purple color.
Okay, how many kids do you have?
I have 2 kids.
Okay, so Rasgulla is today.
Yes, I purchased the rasgulla.
Did you
Today?
purchase mobile?
Yes, I purchased the mobile
Today? Yesterday?
yesterday.
Did you purchase the Rasgulla yesterday?
Yes, I purchased the rasgulla yesterday.
How many Rasgulla did you purchase?
There are 4 rasgulla.
There are. I'm asking how many Rasgulla did you purchase?
Yes, I purchased 4 rasgulla from yesterday.
From yesterday only, not
Only
from.
yesterday.
Speaking English?
Yes, I am speaking
Are you
English.
dancing?
Yes, I am dancing.
Are you watching movie?
Yes, I am watching movie.
Will you go?
Yes, I will go.
Will you apply henna?
Yes, I am apply henna.
Are
I
you
will
apply?
apply henna.
Okay, will you dance in party?
Yes, I will dance in
Will
party.
you sing a song?
Yes, I will sing a song.
Will you go to Banaras?
Yes, I will go to Banaras.
Okay, did you come yesterday or not?
Yeah, no, I did not.
I did not come yesterday.
I did not come yesterday.
Did you see the doctor?
Yes, I see the doctor.
I see the doctor. Saw the
I
doctor.
saw the doctor.
Do you have to get up?
Yes, I have get up.
Do you have to write?
Yes, I have to write.
Do you have to watch movie?
No, I
I do
have
not
not.
have. I do not have.
I
to.
do not have to watch movie.
Did you used to play cricket?
Yes, I used to play cricket in childhood.
Okay. Did you used to smoke?
I don't smoke.
I did not.
I did not smoke.
I did not used to smoke.
I did not used to smoke.
You dance in party?
Yes, I can dance in party.
Can you smile?
Yes, I am smiling.
Are you smiling?
Yes, I am smiling.
Are you taking tea?
Yes, I am taking tea.
Or do you get up early in the morning?
Yes, I am get up early in the morning.
I get up early in the morning.
Yes, I get up early in the morning.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow.
Okay. Will you dance?
Yes, I will dance.
Will you fight?
I will not fight.
Do you have mobile?
Yes, I have a mobile.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Do you have a notebook?
Yes, I have a notebook.
Very good. Please pass
Thank you,
that.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Do you have to get up early in the morning?
Yes, I have to get up early in the.
Do you have a mobile? Do you have a car?
I have a car.
Did you used to tell a lie?
Yeah. Don't I? No, I did not used to tell a lie.
Did you used to take chocolate?
Yes, I did. I used to take out chocolate.
Okay. Did you used to play cricket?
Yes, I used to playing cricket in my
Okay.
childhood.
Did you see the doctor yesterday?
Yes, I saw the doctor yesterday.
Did you go to market yesterday?
I did not go to market yesterday.
Okay. Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow.
Will you apply henna?
I won't apply henna.
Okay. Will you take tea?
I will take tea.
Okay. Will you take rasgulla?
Yes, I will take rasgulla.
Do you want to take cold drink?
Yes, I want to take cold drink.
Do you want to take bath?
Yes, I want to take bath.
Okay. Do you want to watch movie?
Yes, I want to watch movie.
Do you smoke?
I don't smoke.
Okay. Do you get up?
Yes, I get up.
Can you fight?
Yes, I can fight.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Can you dance in party?
Yes, I can dance.
Can you write?
Yes, I can write.
Can you fight with me?
No, I cannot fight.
Okay. Can you write application?
Yes, I write.
I can write.
Yes, I can write application.
Okay. Can you lift 100 kg?
No, I cannot lift 100 kg.
Okay. Do you go to market?
Yes, I go to
Do you make breakfast?
market. Yes, I.
Do
I
you
take,
mop the floor?
Yes, I mop the floor.
Okay. Do you watch movie?
Yes, I watch movie.
Okay. Do you sing a song?
Yes, I sing a song.
Do you comb the hair?
Yes, I mop the hair. Comb the hair.
Comb the hair. Will you apply henna?
Yes, I will apply henna.
Will you celebrate Diwali?
No, I will not celebrate Diwali.
Will you celebrate Eid?
Yes, I will celebrate Eid.
Okay. Will you dance in party?
Yes, I will dance in party.
Can you go to market?
Yes, I can go to market.
Okay. Do you try to speak English?
Yes, I will try to speak English.
Do you try to speak English? I try to.
Yes, I try to speak English.
Do you try to get up early in the morning?
Yes, I try to get up early in the morning.
Do you try to smoke?
No, I don't try to.
I
I do
don't
not try to speak English.
I don't try to smoke.
I don't try to smoke.
Okay. Do you try to write application?
Yes, I try to write application.
Do you make tea?
Yes, I have make tea.
Do you make tea? I make tea.
I make tea.
Okay.